Welcome back to another crypto video. What's up, ladies and gents? I hope you're all doing infallible today. Today we're going to check out Filecoin. We're going to look at a bit of price analysis as well as some juicy news. Well, not really super juicy, but they've got a nice new low collateral borrowing system to help grow the decentralized sector here. And we can see just on their Twitter. So it's pretty cool. So before we dive into that, make sure you smash that subscribe button. It'd be great if I can see you subscribe to the channel, guys. Leave a comment down below. Make sure you hop into the Discord channel. We've got like 80 people in here now. So do join the Discord if you want to. Chat with some very like-minded people, investors, speculators as well. So Filecoin, we can see here, introducing low collateral Filecoin borrowing on CoinList. With our new file borrowing program, storage providers can put up as little as 10% initial collateral to secure loans, scale up operations, and grow decentralized storage faster than ever. So pretty cool to see this. I will drop this particular link in the description for you all to have little ganders. And yeah, it's pretty bullish news. So all of the questions and answers, you can see here on this particular webpage. So do check that one out if you're keen to learn a bit more about that. So Filecoin is currently $24.25. We can see it's ranked 43 of a market cap of 3.8 billion and a whopping 24-hour trading volume of $454 million right there, guys. So we can see on the 30 days we're down 20%. On the 2 weeks we're up 33%. On that daily we're up 2%. And we're getting a bit of a bump. We're all-time lows now. Like, we're all the way back over in February 2021 before this huge euphoric phase, this massive thrill, all the way up to $174. So we've corrected over 90%. If we were to take this correction, I mean, that's a 92% drop. So there could be something bigger that we don't know, but we have got some nice green candles here. We've got 3 weekly green candles. We did get bumped at this resistance level at £19.11, so we are back into pounds here, guys. Sorry for the confusion, I know that's super annoying. And on that 4-hour time frame, if we check out what's going on, you can see we're back on that 20-day moving average. We did have a big period of being overbought on the relative strength index down here. We came all the way up to 84. So again, this is still a resistance level, this 1911 area. We got rejected there. Hopefully we get some consolidation here on the 4-hour time frame. It does look like we are now consolidating. A bit of a, sorry, I got like a hair in my mouth. A bit of a symmetrical triangle perhaps here. And if we break out to the upper side, we can see, I'm just eating my own hair. We can just see that we are putting through those lower highs, higher lows. We're getting that convergence. And if we do break to the upside of this next particular pattern, we'll be coming up and retesting this resistance right here from this previous swing high, which actually does marry up perfectly. So it's pretty cool when that happens, because like it makes me look better than I actually am. So there we go. £21 is a resistance level. If we do break out this particular pattern, guys, we break through this resistance, we see that volume, we're losing volume, we're going to come up to around this £21.9 level. So get ready for a potential impulse of around 20%. On the short side, we could come back down, retest these lower supports, and also see a 20% capitulation, 20% drop in the price. But if we can hold this level here, close this next candle, I think we'll be looking pretty good for these higher areas, and it looks super, super bullish. I do love Filecoin, and I think it is worth dollar cost averaging on these low positions. As you can see, we're back in an uptrend on the weekly, and the daily time frame on that 20-day moving average is looking pretty good. Weekly candles again, you see here we're not quite put through a higher high yet, but once we do retest this £22 around $30 mark, then we're going to look like an uptrend is beginning once again. So particularly bullish on Filecoin. My prediction in the short term is we should hopefully break to the upside of this symmetrical triangle, retest that £19 area, and then break to the next resistance at 21, and then obliterate every resistance to the moon. No, I'm not a hype boy. Like, there's no such thing as getting rich tomorrow, and you only ever hear the good news, you never hear the bad news. So don't do that. Don't follow the green candles. Do your own research. And of course, this isn't financial advice. You're here just because you love lulling to my voice. Apparently that's the only feedback I get. Fair enough. If you like the sound of my voice, I mean, personally, I think it's boring AF. But anyways, guys, that's about a wrap on the video. So please do subscribe to the channel if you're new. Go down into the description below. You'll find the link to this news page as well as the Discord. And if you want to become a patron as well, it's literally a price of a coffee. You'll get one-on-one exclusive messaging. You'll get trading alerts, premium Discord access, and also you'll get this ebook here, which will transform your crypto journey. If you don't like the book, I'll even refund you. So thank you, and see you in the next one.